ModioPy has several features that allow for monitoring security in your Cognos instance. One of these, the User Access Panel, allows Cognos administrators to quickly see all users in a group or role and all groups and roles a member belongs to. To see how this works, let's look at a specific use case. You're a Cognos administrator and you have been told that an employee, Guy Saladin, has changed departments. You need to ensure that Guy Saladin is no longer a member of any of his previous groups and roles, and now is only a member of Adaptive Analytics users. Guy Saladin also needs full permissions to folder Dallas. This can all be ensured using the User Access Panel. First, let's find the user in question. If we only knew his last name, that's okay. We can select Browse, then choose the Search tab. Here you can search for users by typing their names and clicking Search. In this case, we type Saladin and press Search. Our user appears in the table. We can select him and click OK. Guy Saladin's username now appears in the username field at the top of the panel. Click Submit. ModioPy will query for your user and populate the results table below. Once we select Guy Saladin in the results table, his user membership is shown at the bottom of the panel. Here we can see that Guy Saladin's entire membership list consists of all authenticated users, everyone, and Adaptive Analytics users. This is what we want. Without ModioPy, to ensure that Guy Saladin was not a member of any other groups or roles, we would have to click on every single group or role in the Cognos instance and verify it manually. A nearly impossible task if you have a large amount of nested groups, which you would also need to check. In ModioPy, you can also see all the objects our user has permission to. In the middle section, we can navigate to our folder, and in the permissions column see that Guy Saladin does in fact have read, write, execute, and traverse policies on the folder Dallas. We can see how quickly and efficiently ModioPy and the User Access Panel allows Cognos administrators to verify account memberships and permissions.